Hey everybody, it's David again from Real Hardware Reviews. Now, if you're building a powerful new PC, especially one with a power-hungry NVIDIA 50 series graphics card, choosing the right power supply is absolutely crucial. Today we're showcasing the MSI MPG A1000GS. This power supply is specifically designed to handle those modern demands. So let's dive into why it might be the perfect foundation for your next build. This 1000 watt fully modular unit featuring both 80+ gold and the stricter cybernetics gold certifications for efficiency and noise. It also has ATX 3.1 and PCIE5 ready, making it nicely future-proof. One of the standout features here is the cable quality. These aren't your standard flat ribbons, they look and feel more premium, like an aftermarket kit with a nice matte black finish. Crucially for new GPUs, it includes two native 12-volt 2x6 cables, and MSI has added these brilliant yellow markers on the connectors. If you see yellow when it's plugged in, it's not fully seated, a simple but effective safety feature. The A1000GS can manage up to 235% of its total rated power, and crucially, 3 times the GPU's rated power in transient loads. This prevents any shutdowns or instability that can occur with older PSU designs when a powerful GPU suddenly demands peak power. Inside, it uses quality components like Japanese capacitors and offers a full suite of 8 protection features for peace of mind. Plus, it offers a 0 RPM fan mode for sound operation under light loads, and it is backed up by a solid 10-year warranty. Inside, the MPG A1000GS uses a semi-digital design with IC controls for the PFC and LLC stages. This delivers great precision and more stable power compared to traditional analog design, and is also built with high-quality server-grade components. And keeping these great cables organized is easy to do. MSI includes a nice cloth accessory bag to store any cables that you aren't using. Plus, the main cables come with pre-installed adjustable cable organizers right out of the box. We ran this power supply through detailed testing, and if you want to see the efficiency curves, voltage regulation, and ripple suppression results under load, be sure to check out our full written review linked in the description below. If you're planning a high-end build, especially with the new 50 series GPU, the MPG A1000GS absolutely deserves a spot in your shortlist. What power supply are you running or planning to get? Let me know in the link below, and thanks for watching. This is David from Real Hardware Reviews, signing out.